So let us now pass the reverse de la Riva using a shuffling method as opposed to a knee clubbing method. So we're still going to shin slice, we're not going to shin slice anymore. We're still going to apply the folding pass by clocking our opponent's hips around and shuffling to the other side. So I'm in the reverse de la Riva, and this technique works really well against an opponent who likes to play a high knee shield in conjunction with the reverse de la Riva. We could try to apply the previous techniques, but typically when you have this kind of knee cut style pressure, it's very difficult to gain the mobility to do so. All we're going to look to do from here is take our hand that's on the collar and cup underneath his knee. And the best timing to do this is as your partner pushes away. So I like to make a grip on the lower back and the collar anytime I pass through the legs, like in this knee cut style position, to force my partner to try to push me away. And as he does this, look, I'm going to bring my knee underneath as opposed to on top as I walk over. All right? So I'm shuffling my feet laterally as my opponent's extending his back. And naturally, this is going to roll him flatter. So as he extends, here, my knees are pinched tight. I switch my hand now. Once his knee passes the line of my chest, I no longer need to use my hand here. I can grab his belt right away, turn my feet, and act as if I was shin slicing over. So it's very important when we're applying this technique that we have good base and we're pinching our knees together. I'm bracing my partner, he's pushing me away. I bring my knee under and I hold his knee. From here, if he continues to push me away, look, I just take small steps over. If he keeps trying to move me, I still shuffle over. Once his knee is past the line of my chest, my hand can go to the belt, and I can enter into the folding pass right away. Bring my head tight, his knees up. I can make the leg weave. I can go ear to ear, or we can form single.